Let's discuss exercise 6.3. First question, state which pairs of triangles in figure are similar. Write the similarity criterion. The similarity criterion and used by you for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbolic form. Okay? We know similar triangles. If two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal and corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Okay, but here using similarity criterion. Okay, we know similarity criterion for triangles AAA or angle symmetry criterion. Okay, similarity criteria. Next, triple S, side. Next one, side angle side similarity criteria. Okay, here using these three similarity criterion to find given triangles are similar or not. Okay, see first example. Here given two triangles and given three angles. Okay, using AAA. Okay, see angle A equal to 60 degrees, corresponding angle 60. So angle A equal to angle P. Next, angle B equal to 80 degrees, corresponding angle 80. It is angle Q. Next, angle C equal to 40 degrees, corresponding angle 40. Okay, 40 is nothing but angle R. Okay, here angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, angle C equal to angle R. Angle. Okay, here using AAA similarity criteria. Okay, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, corresponding angles are equal. Then triangle ABC is similar to A corresponding angle P, B corresponding angle Q, C corresponding angle R. Okay, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, here using AAA. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle QRP. Is it correct? Angle A exactly equal to angle P. Okay, not equal to angle Q. Angle A equal to 60 degrees, angle Q equal to 80 degrees. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, therefore triangle ABC is equal to, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Next example. See these two triangles. Here we have to find the relation of these two triangles. Okay, what is the relation? Here given sides, three sides. So using triple S similarity criteria. Okay, corresponding sides ratios are equal. AB by, let's check, AB by PQ. What is the ratio? 2 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 3. 2 ones, 2 threes. Next, AC by PR. What is the ratio? 3 by 5. Okay. Next, BC by QR. 2.5 by 4. Okay. Here these ratios are not equal. Okay. Here we have to find the relation of these two triangles. Here we have 2, 4, 3, 6, 2.5, 5. Okay. So we can write AB by QR. 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay. Next, AC by PQ. AC is 3, PQ is 6, which is equal to 3 ones, 3 twos. Next, BC by P or 2.5 by 5. 1, 2. 1 by 2. Okay. Here corresponding sides are in same ratio. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. Therefore, AB by Q or it is equal to AC by P or equal to BC by P or. So, triangle ABC is similar to Q or. AB is equal to Q or BC. BC equal to P or. Okay. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle Q or P. Okay. See, triangle ABC similar to P, Q or. Is it correct? No. Okay. AB by PQ. What is the ratio? 1 by 2. Sorry, AB by PQ. 1 by 3. Next, BC by Q or. 2.5 by 4. Okay, these ratios are not equal. So, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle PQR. Okay. This is correct. Here using triple S similarity criteria for triangles. Next example. See, here we have to find the relation of these two triangles. What is the relation? Here given sides, 3 sides. So, here using side similarity criteria for triangles. Okay. See, here we have 2, 4, 3, 6. But 2.7, 5. Okay. See, corresponding sides ratio. LP by DF equal to 3 by 6 is nothing but 1 by 2. Next, MP by DE 2 by 4 which is equal to 1 by 2. In same way, LM by EF 2.7 by 5. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. 2.7 by 5. Okay, so these 3 ratios are not equal. Okay, so given triangles are not similar as sides are not in proportional. Next example. Here given one angle, 2 sides. So here using SAS, side angle side similarity criteria. Okay. Angle M equal to angle Q, 70, 70. Okay. Next, corresponding. Here angle including sides are in same ratio. MN by QR which is equal to ML. See, what is the relation? 5, 10, 2.5, 6. Okay. ML by QR equal to 5 by 10. 5 ones, 5 twos. Next, MN by PQ 2.5 by 6. Here these two ratios are not equal. Okay, so given triangles are not similar. SAS similarity criteria not satisfied. Next example, here given one angle and 2 sides. So using SAS similarity criteria, okay, angle A equal to angle F. Okay, sides. Angle including sides are in same proportion. Angle including sides are in same ratio or proportion. Okay, here angle including sides. AB equal to 2.5. Here AC. What is the value of AC? We don't know. So, we can't say given triangles are similar. Okay. So, given triangles are not similar. Why? AB by DF equal to 2.5 by 5, which is equal to 1 by 2. AC by EF. We don't know AC. EF is 6. So, here we don't know ratio of AC by EF. So, given triangles are not similar. Next example, here given two angles. We know sum of the angles in triangle. Sum of the angles in triangle equal to 180 degrees. Okay, 70 plus 80, which is equal to 150. 150 plus angle F equal to 180. So, angle F equal to 180 minus 150. So, angle F equal to 30. In same way, see this figure. Given 80, 30. Angle P equal to 80 plus 30. 110. 180 minus 110. Angle P equal to 70 degrees. Okay, see these two figures. Corresponding angles are equal. So, here using AAA criteria. So, given triangles are similar.